Hello friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy Turvy Recipes. Today I am going to make chicken jhol, and I am making this recipe after a very long time. So I will show you the ingredients while making the recipe. I hope you all will like it. So please, if you are new to my channel, subscribe and press the bell icon so you all can get all the notifications coming up. So I have taken the chicken here. This is the chicken. You can see I have washed it and kept it. So while making the recipe I will show you the other steps. I have taken the masalas: ginger, garlic, red dry chilies, some jeera and black pepper, and some onions. All this I will grind it. I will grind all this together into a paste and grind this onion also into a paste. Put some mustard oil. I have taken darchini, green cardamom and one elaichi, big elaichi. I will put all this. I will put in some bay leaves. Sliced up some onions, that also I will put in. Let the onions fry golden brown. Onions are turned golden brown. Now I will put in the onion paste. Put in the ginger, garlic, jeera, red chilies and black pepper paste. Put in some dhania powder. Put some turmeric. And let the masala turn brown. I half brown the masalas. I will not brown the masalas fully now. I will put the chicken in now. Put some salt. Now the chicken will fry along with the masalas, and the masala also will turn brown nicely along with the chicken. Now I will cover this and let the chicken cook with the masala, and it will turn brown also. So I will cover it up. You can see the masalas are gone brown with the chicken. The chicken also is half cooked now. Now I will put in the chopped tomatoes. Put in the coriander leaves also. Put in some chicken masala also. I am making chicken jhol, so I will put little extra water. Put in the water. Cover it up and let it cook tender. Chicken jhol recipe is ready. It's cooked up nicely, the meat, the chicken, and the recipe is ready.